Yo, Dad.
What?
Hey, we're going to go to Great Wolf Lodge because it's not in Michigan, isn't it?
No, we're going to be going to Ohio.
Ohio, like Madison, Ohio, something like that.
No, I'm saying that we are going to be going to like Sandusky, Ohio, Great Wolf Lodge.
Oh, okay. Let's go, I guess. Well, I got my food, I guess. It's time to eat, I guess. Well, I finished all my food at Golden for now, so I might as well go back to Great Wolf Lodge. Well, boys, it's gonna be time for me to go somewhere. Yeah. I'm so mad that it's like blacked out. I'm still gonna wait here, I guess. This is cool.
It's here to have a good life today, boys.
Yes, Piggy's too. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna have to do it, man.
Piggy's too.
Wow, I like story times. They're cool.
Come on, Oxen.
Fine, whatever. Oh, boys, I just hope I get to do this, I guess.
Good luck, kid.
All right, bitch. Well, let's just hope I get something. God damn, I got like 60 tickets. That's some bullshit.
Oh, you need to try your best, Oxen.
Shut the hell up, Dan.
Don't cuss, Oxen.
Hell no, I'm not gonna get some blazing games.
No cussing, Oxen.
Yeah, man, I won like 11 or 100 tickets, man. There's like some cool bullshit. Well, let's do this, I guess.
Well, good luck, Oxen. I mean, I don't really know about this.
Don't worry, Dad. I'm gonna shoot some ass.
No cussing, Oxen.
I don't give a damn, bitch. Kick my own ass. Ah, man.
Ready, go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, bitch, I'm gonna kick your ass. Damn it, son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Damn it, son of a bitch. Damn it. I won like 62 tickets. I won like 10,185 points. This is bullshit, man. I'm out of here. Okay, let's play this Cabello on keys.
I believe in you, Oxen. Whatever. Damn it, son of a bitch.
Damn it, I'm gonna kick some ass. This is bullshit, man.
Don't worry about it.
This is my last game, boys. Yeah. Death Valley, boys. Yeah. Damn it. Oh, damn it. Alright, boys. I'm gonna kick some ass. I'm gonna kick some ass in this race. God damn it. I'm gonna kick some ass in this race, bitch. Damn it. Son of a bitch. I'm gonna kick some ass. For real. Damn it, son of a bitch. You kick my ass. I'm gonna kick your ass, bitch. I'm not playing no games. Damn it, son of a bitch. I'm gonna kick your ass. Damn it. I'm gonna kick your ass. Son of a bitch. Ah, damn it. Let's see this bullshit. Damn it. Son of a bitch. Get some ass. Damn it. Damn it. Bitch, I'm gonna kick your ass.
Checkpoint.
I'm gonna rattle some goddamn cows, bitch. God damn it. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Come on.
Checkpoint.
Yeah. Yeah, bitch. I'm gonna kick some of those. Almost. I'm like a second. I'm like a second. Second place, bitches. Yeah. I'm like in second place, bitches. Yeah. Look at my picture. Look at my picture. It's really good, boys. Yeah.
Awesome
I
time.
like it. Hell.
Continue.
Damn it. But boys, I'm gonna kick some ass. Goodbye. Well, I might as well eat this pack of Snyder's. Good night, Dad.
Good night, son.
I might as well eat this pack of Snyder's before I go to bed. Heh. Well, what the heck? Oh, wait, hold on. Well, why is the lights on? Hey, where's my dad?
Well, the pool is closed. I don't think it's gonna be a good thing at all. Whatever it is. Like rained outside last night. Like rained outside last night. And yeah. That's pretty much it. Stuff.
This is like a bar. I'm gonna sit down and go and drink some vitamins. Hit. I'm joking. I'm just gonna sit at a table, I guess. The pool is closed. Actually, the whole water park's closed. You can see some guys working on it and stuff. Like a the thing. It's in the basement over. Like a if you can see, it's over there. But you guys see, I went to right on side. So let's go home, boys. Bye, hotel. I'm just gonna go somewhere. Yeah. This is like the best thing I ever heard, my brothers. It's gonna be really cool. Once we leave Ohio, we're going back to whatever state I'm from. Hey. Goodbye, Great Wolf Lodge. Left Great Wolf Lodge. I just want to stop here for a few moments, Dad.
All right, Oxen.
It's cool. I like Lake Erie now. This is all Lake Erie, boys. Wait a minute. Why don't I find something? Ooh, I like this. Well, I see a turtle over here too. I'm gonna kick your ass. Never mind. We're home, boys. Well, it's so glad to be home, I guess.
Yeah. Who's there?